Hi everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something fun. It's been a little while since I did any kind of DIY or crafty type of thing on my channel, and that's what we're going to do today. And it's a fun one. So these right here are the typical sticker storage options, right? You've got the sticker books with the release paper, like reusable sticker books, and then the albums where you can put stuff in the sleeves. But recently, a bunch of shops have popped up with albums that have both storage options in them, and they look really cool, but they're super expensive. Like I've seen up to like $50 or more in some stores. And I got thinking that it's probably possible to make one yourself for a lot less. And so I went looking for the materials, and it is, and they're easy to get, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. Okay, so what these albums typically have is it's a binder versus just like an album with like photo sleeves in it. And then there are like removable, repositionable, like rearrangeable sleeves in them. So I have a binder. I've got the full sleeves. I actually got two of those. And then a set of the 2 pocket ones. A set or a pack of sticker release paper, and then a set of dividers. These ones have 12. They'll actually take up quite a bit of space in this binder, but so you don't have to use them all. But I also found some other binder options that we'll talk about later that might work as well. So let's talk about what this all costs. The binder was $4.48 US. The sleeves were $1.98 each, so times 2. The sticker paper was $2.98. And then the dividers were, these ones were $5.48, but you could buy 6 for $2.98. So all told, if you were to just do the 6 dividers, this would cost you under $15. It's all from Temu. I know people have a love-hate relationship with Temu. I'm going to link everything down below. These are not affiliate links at all. I don't know how that works on Temu. But I'll link them down below. It took about a week for them to get here, and now I can put it all together myself and show you how I'm doing it. So let's get started. There's going to be a lot of crinkling while I open all of this stuff. So first up, here is the binder. This one doesn't have an elastic closure. I actually ordered one right afterwards that does, but it hasn't arrived yet. So you can get them with elastic closures if you want. You could also just put an elastic around it. That would work too. Okay, so we have our binder. Oh my goodness, this is sturdy. Okay, there we go. Got that open. And then let's start with these. So these are the 2 sleeve ones. So there's 10 of each in these. Pop those in, and then we'll grab our pack of single sheet ones. And then we have the dividers. I'm going to take out 6. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use these yet. Well, I have an idea of how I'm going to use the binders in general, because I think I ordered another set of these, and I have a bunch of this as well. So let's just use 6. Is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you order a set of 6, they come spread out, obviously, like that. Oops. Pop those in. And then we have our release paper. This is a pack of 50. Now, these are unpunched, so you do have to punch them, but it's pretty easy to do if you have a punch for rings, which I do. I have them all in here. I think, oh, that's one of them. Hold on. Here's it gone. Okay, so this is one I got on Amazon years ago. Rapesco is the brand. This one that I have in here is the We Are Memory Keepers one that will punch for like anything. Incidentally, the video that has the second most views on my channel is how to use these 2 punches to punch for A5 wide, because A5 wide didn't used to exist. Somebody invented it. I don't think anybody outside the planner world recognizes A5 wide as a size. So there weren't punches that actually fit, like worked properly specifically for them, but I figured it out, and that video has the most views. If you're wondering how to punch for A5 wide rings, go check out that video. This one has all kinds of things that it comes with. You get the board, and then you get all kinds of punches. So you get like a spiral punch and these are the disc punches. And then that's a regular ring punch. So is that, and that must be what, like 6 of these? Yes. No. Do I? Maybe. I have 5 of them. I think we only need 3 for this. And then you get this thing that has in it like all of the sizes. So you look to see, where's the, oh no, it's on the back. It's been years since I used this. Okay. So then you just find A5, and it doesn't really matter. They're all kind of the same, or most of them anyway. So like Recollections A5, Hello Forever A5, they're the same. The Euro ones are different. Filofax is the same. So we're going to use 11, 21, and 31. And what you do is you find on here the number that you want to put it at. So we'll put that one at 11. This one at 21. And this one at, was it 31? 11, 21, and 31. That looks right. Let me just double check. 11, 21, 31. Let's get this out of there. And then what you do is you line your sheet up like that. So hopefully you can see, you line it up to the edge there and then just the edge there. And then press this down and punch. So you have 3, and then you flip it and do the same thing. Like that. So now, if we grab our binder, we should, in theory, have perfectly punched A5 sheets. And we do. So that's all you have to do. I'm going to do a couple of them so we can put them in here, and then I'm going to figure out how I'm going to use this. These sheets are very slippery. Let's get all these out of the way. First of all, they're very slippery. I tend to, when I'm punching them, either for discs or for rings, because I do have like huge disc bound ones. Let me show you. I made this for all of my Avalon and Ninth functional subs. This is the same paper as this, so it's pretty slippery. I think I might have punched them like one by one, honestly. But you could probably do a couple. It's just that they do slip around quite a bit. Like it's very, anyway, let's do them one by one because it really doesn't take that long. Especially with something like this. So punch, flip, line up, punch. I'll do like 5 and then we'll figure out what I'm gonna put in this album. So it does take, obviously there is a little bit of a time investment in this, but like really, it's not. It takes minutes. And the DIY cost is so much less. Okay, one more. Let me try one more than one at a time. They just slip so much. Yeah, see? I think it's taken me longer, you know what? I think it's taken me longer to try to do 2 at a time than it would be to just do them one at a time and punch 2. So, okay. We have 5 sheets. I'll put all of that away later. Binder. All right, so I think I have 6. So let's just put them 1 in each section for now. Because I think how I'm going to use the dividers is for the release paper. And I think what I'll do is do by color for all my leftover stickers. So like I did with that Avalon and 9th functional sub I just showed you with the discs. With any of my leftover, probably like cousin functionals, Hobo Cousin functionals, I will use these sheets here. So I'll show you what I mean. All right, let's close this up for now. So what we will have, actually, I think I'm going to move these to the front. Okay, so what we have is our own little multi-functional setup here where this is the kit I'm using this coming week in my planner. You'll see this on Wednesday. I'm going to pop this in here, which fits beautifully in there. And then the sheets that are like the 2-pocket ones are perfect for, hold on, sheets like these like quarter sheets fit beautifully in here. Lovely. And then back here, what I'm going to do is when I'm done with a kit or used like most of it, I'll show you the one I used this past week from Nerds the Word. I will take my leftover stickers and organize them, probably functionals, and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do with the like full boxes that I have left over and like patterned washi and stuff. But then you could just take all your functionals and organize them by color in your book. And they stay all together. Whoops. So then we'll do whatever color I'm doing, right? Like we'll do it in rainbow order probably. And then pink. So I will probably need all 12 after all in here, but I might actually use just one binder for all of that. But now you have all your stickers in one place. So I have the kit I'm using this week, fill up other kits here, and I do have another set of these full ones because I figured those would be the ones I use the most. Then cute little quarter sheets, deco scripts, whatever you want to put in there. And then long hair, just in case you want that too. And then leftover stickers back here. And I'll probably make color-coded tabs like I did for these ones, for these labels here, so I know what colors I'm looking at. One thing to note, this is a very small binder. It's going to fill up really quickly. You put a couple kits in here and then a couple quarter sheets, it's gonna fill up. If I pop in like the leftover Nerds the Word kit, that adds bulk. So once you've got 10 kits in here, and then your quarter sheets, and I mean, even just adding stickers will bulk up this area, it is gonna fill up really quickly. There is an option on Amazon. We can get it other places, but the only place that I was able to find it, like most easily, was on Amazon. I'm not actually the one who found these. Sherry at Nerds the Word showed me them because she actually uses them for something else. So they're called Simple Stories. I'm going to pop a picture up. Simple Stories snap binders. And on the Amazon listing, they don't show what the rings look like, but I don't know if you can see. They have instead of having 6, they have 2. And we measured them and we think that they line up exactly with the middle hole in each of these inserts. So I think that you could use those binders, and they are 2-inch binders, I think. They're called like these Simple Stories. They're from, what's the company that does like the daily Project Life, maybe? I think it's the same company or something similar to that. But it does look, I think they have 2-inch rings, and it does look like they match up perfectly. So that is an option too if you need bigger storage because you just have too many kits. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other set that I bought that hasn't come yet for functionals, like leftovers, and then I'll use this binder for just with the sleeves. So I'll probably end up taking out these dividers and putting them in the other one, and then I'll just use the sleeves, and I'll use it for my Hobonichi Cousin kits probably, and then just quarter sheets or whatever I have that I will also use frequently in them, because I don't have a ton of kits, and maybe I'll just do like, here's what I'm using this month, this week, whatever, and then I can flip through, you know, my daily sheets and have it sort of all in one place. But for less than $15, you can make this yourself, which I think is awesome. The shipping is free. Like I said, it all got here within a week, like less than a week. And now you have your own little sticker binder that has both photo sleeves, or the sheet sleeves, and release paper and dividers. I think that's pretty cool. You really can't beat that for $15. All right, that is it for me today. Let me know down in the comments if you like this idea, if you are a DIY person and think that this is a fun way to get the product without paying the retail price tag. $15 US for all of this. I think it came to just under 25 Canadian, maybe. You really cannot beat that. I think that's still half of most of the retail prices in the shops. All right, let me know down in the comments if you're going to do this, grab the stuff and make one for yourself, or what you think of these cute little sticker binders, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future content, and I will see you all again soon. Bye, friends.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.